We now tackle question number 9 and it is here. Important word equidistant, which means both are equal. This equal to this, equidistant. 2 points are equidistant and therefore find the distances between these points. And remember, we are now still applying the distance formula. And we apply the distance formula QP. First, QP is equal to the formula that we have applied. I hope you remember the formula. If you do not remember it, have a look at your paper. But the formula is very, very important. Here, and please remember, -1 minus 3 is equal to -4. Now look at this, right, left side, right side. Here there is 5 square and here also is 5 square, and therefore we just cancel those, left and right, because left and right both are equal, same sign, symbol, and therefore we can cancel. And what remains? -4 square here, and from there x minus 0 whole square. Next step, both have root, and therefore we can, both sides, therefore we can remove the root. So we are removing the root and we have only square. -4 whole square and this bracket whole square, so we can also next process remove the square. So we are removing the root here, then we are removing the square, and finally what you have, -4 is equal to x minus 0. Therefore x will be equal to -4 or +4. It can be both. Therefore we have now found out x is equal to +4 or -4. And what's the question? The question is, find the distance between these two, PR and QR. Now PR, we try first PR. X can be +4, -4, and therefore we begin when x is equal to +4. Again we apply the distance formula. The distance formula. Here double minus, it becomes plus 6 plus 3, 9. 4 minus 5 minus 1. And that is equal to 1, 9 into 9, 81. 81 plus 1, 82. Square root 82. That is when x is +4. Same one, PR when x is equal to -4, because we said x can be +4 or -4. So when it is -4, again we apply the value. Same thing is -4. -4 minus 5 is equal to -9. Here also plus minus into minus plus 6 plus 3, 9. So -9 and equal to 81. 9 into 9, 81. 9 into 9, 81. Double 81 is equal to same as 81 into 2. 81 into 2 is same as 9 squared into 2. Since there is root, we take it out and therefore 9 into square root 2. That is the second part. Next one, next part, QR when x is equal to 4, the same formula we are applying. Just only be careful, that's all. Nothing very particular. There you are, 6 minus 1, 5. That's all. And you get, so you pause this, have a look at it nicely. Reasoning is the same. You pause the play and therefore you are able to write down or look at it nicely. And the next one, QR when x is equal to -4. So we are given the value here -4, and then what happens? -4 minus 0, -4. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. Root 41. Same also root 41. So here both the answers are the same, root 41. And with that we have completed question number 9 of exercise 7.2. Now we have question number 10. And question number 10, we have the 3. What are we given? That one point is equidistant from the other 2. And therefore, this point A is equally distant from B and from C. But we are asked what are the coordinates of A, and therefore we said let the coordinate be X and Y. These coordinates are given. And we are given the question AB is equal to AC. Now we apply again the distance formula. What is AB? And we are told AB is equal to AC, and therefore first you write AB on the left side and you write AB on AC on the right side. Apply the distance formula. Apply the distance formula. Now look at this bracket. 3 minus x whole squared is same as, please remember, A minus B whole squared. And what is the answer? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. This. And that we are applying here. 3 minus x whole squared, A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Similarly also here. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Here again. Here it is minus 3. A squared minus 2A. A is minus 3. 2AB plus B squared. Here again. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So we have the left side and the right side. Look at this. On the left side we have A squared. Right side also A squared. So we cancel. Left side we have plus minus squared. Here also plus minus squared. We cancel. So those two are already equal, cancel. Now what remains? This 3 squared is 9. This 2 into 3, 6. 6, 36, 12, y. 9. This comes here. This comes here. And here it is there. Now we simplify. The unknown numbers here and the digital unknown numbers, that same. So 9 goes here, this one comes here, 36 goes here, this one comes here, 9 goes here, this 6x comes here, minus, plus 6x because minus 6x, 16 remains here, and then minus 8y because plus 8y. And then therefore, minus 6, minus 6, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. 9 minus 9 cancel. Minus 36 and here 16 is equal to minus 20. So left side, right side. Now if you notice what is common? 4 is common to all these 3 numbers. Therefore we divide by 4. You divide by 4. Divide by 4, 3. Divide by 4, 1. Divide by 4, 5. And this is the answer. Just go systematically. That's all. Careful. We are now going to a next one called a section formula. What do we mean by that? Look at this line here. Point A, point B. Now this line can be divided into equal. If you put a point here, then this point divides it into equal. So we must find what are the coordinates of this point and what's the ratio, 1:1. Imagine something else. I am dividing like this. I am dividing here and here. I am dividing it into three equal parts. So from A to here it is one part and from here it is double part. Or we can also go to Q and then here this is one part and this. So ratio, this is 1:2 or this is 2:3. This is what we mean by section formula. A point divides a line in a ratio. Two things we can do. Find the coordinates of the point, positive, and opposite, reverse, find the ratio of the division. So you can be asked, find the coordinates or find the ratio, and that is the importance of this section formula. And please remember, in this section formula, we need to study by heart. We need to remember the section formula. And what is the section formula? Here. Exactly this. This is the section formula you need to remember. I'll explain it. So, look at this. Ratio means first number, second number. The relationship between first number and second number. First number is referred to as M1, second number is M2. So in this example, M1, M2. Here also A is to be M1, M2. So the first one is M1, second one is M2. So what is the formula? The formula is M1, M2, X2, X1, opposite. So you mix together. M1, X2 plus M2, X1. And then M1 plus M2. And this is same here. This and this is same. But then here M1 Y2, X2 Y2. Here M2 Y1, MX1 Y1. It's not difficult to remember the formula. Just begin with M2 opposite X1. M1 opposite X2, M2 X1. Begin with the M1 X2, M2 X1. M1 Y2, M2 Y. And here it is both. One is M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2. That is the formula. Please remember, you have to study it by heart. It has to be there. Another option is like this. K is to 1. Like 1 is to 2, A is to B. So you can also have K is to 1. And here, same formula. Simplify K X2, M1, X2, same thing. Whether it is K or M1, no problem. So please study by heart both these formulae. Now we go to exercise 7.2, question number 1, which is all based on section formula. Finding the coordinates or finding the ratio. And we will make use of the formula, this formula or this formula. Okay. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the joint of, this is one point and this is second point, in the ratio 2 is to 3. So if you have to divide point, first point, second point, end points, and divide the ratio 2 is to 3. How do we do it? Immediately apply the formula M1x2 into understood, 2 into 4, 2 into 4, and then 2 into 3. See here, 2 into 4 and 3 into 1. The formula, see these are the numbers here. 2 into 4. And then we have a 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. And then the formula is that 2 is to 3. 2 plus 3. Exactly like that, 2 plus 3. And then comma, next one. Next one. M2 into Y2 and then M2 into Y1 and again plus 2. And below we have the answer. 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 2 plus 5, 5. Comma. 2 into minus 3, 6. And then here 3 into 7, 21 upon 5. And this whole thing, continuation is equal to here 8 minus 3, 5. 5 upon 5. And then here minus 6, 21 is equal to 15. 15 upon 5 is equal to, so here 5 into 5 upon 5, 1. 15 upon 5, 3. So we have the coordinate of the point 1.1 comma 3 coordinates. As it is written, not ratio but the coordinates. We have now question number 2. Question number 2 more or less similar to question number 1. Here we are asked about trisection. That is dividing into 3 parts. The question point 1 line is divided into 3 equal parts. What we are given first and the second one, and these 2 we are not given, so we have to find out, but then it is given equal. Trisection means equal. All are equal. Therefore, we are given AP is to PB. What's the relationship? AP is to PB, 1 is to 2, because 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, AQ upon QB. AQ upon QB, 2 is to 1, opposite. And now let's look at the first one. AP upon PB is 1 is to 2. Again, we apply the formula, section formula. Remember the second formula and apply it here. First one, second, have a look at it. We are just substituting the numbers that have been given to us. First number, second number. First and second. And then the ratio. We apply the ratio. And then here, ratio is 1 is to 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2, again 1 plus 2. Here, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 8, 3. Minus 3, minus 2, into minus 2, again 3. And here we have 6 upon 3, here we have minus 3 upon 5, and therefore what is P? P is equal to 2, comma, minus 5 upon 3. So we have the first point, 3. Now we will see the next second point, Q. We now go to the next one, a Q is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1, and therefore we find the point Q. Again apply the formula, the section formula, and you have this. I had to put the bracket so that multiplication becomes easier for you to know. Look at the numbers. We are applying the section formula and supplying the numbers as we have given the coordinates. And here we have 2 in minus 4 plus 4, minus 6 minus 1. So minus 4 plus 4, 0, 0 upon 3, minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7 upon 3. 0 upon 3 results 0, and here minus 7 upon 3, that is Q. Therefore, we are asked the two coordinates, the two numbers, the two points P and Q. P is equal to 2, comma 0, and what we have seen already earlier, and Q, what you are seeing now. This is the answer that we are asked to do.